Now we're coming to the preview of each and every sign for the weekly horoscope report. Preview. What is preview? Preview is a free content in which we extract one part of the premium content. In the premium content, we share with you 6 parts. Transit, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chantings. These are 6 parts consist of premium content. So out of these 6 parts, we share with you one part, conclusion part 1 in the preview. These weekly horoscope reports are quite important for those people who are next 7 days, the important events are happening, or next 7 days, if they're going for any kind of an interview or very important meeting or negotiation or dealing, and some events are happening in the coming week. Some timing and the days are important, and you need to make a decision or choices, or you have to make a move in the coming week, or the scenario is developing in the next 7 days and you need to keep a close eye and watching that particular scenario, then you make a move. Weekly horoscope report which we are presenting with the premium content is very thorough, give you environment of the whole week and what you can do in that particular week. The prediction is there, positive and negative both ways, but task, precaution, chanting, the real asset to you can change the equation of the whole week if you want to. Prediction clarity is there, crystal clear understanding is there. Then what you can do in that particular equation is your call. This weekly horoscope report which we produce is an applied astrology horoscope report, not like a only prediction. Through task, precaution, chanting, you can maneuver the astrological equation if you want to. These are not suitable for everybody, but anybody who needs it. Medicine is not for everybody. Medicine for the patient. So end of the day, our weekly horoscope report, who need this horoscope report, who need the help and support and guidance for those people, for all of you. But I'd like to share with all of you, this is what we do. Every preview have a supporting statement in the end, in which we define categorically what are these planets are doing for you. But end of the day, if you want a premium content, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and take a full advantage of the premium content. But otherwise, best of luck to all of you. Leo, in this coming week, due to Mercury position in 2nd house, watch your flow of income, watch your speculation, watch your investment. Sun, Mars in 3rd house, refrain from foul temper. More you improve your communication, more you achieve the dignified status. Jupiter, Saturn, 6th house. Keep a close eye on your health as well as your enemies. Moon, Rahu in 10th house. Refrain from illusions, confusion, and look after your relationship. Look after your professional relationship. Ketu, Venus in 4th house. Refrain from any kind of scandalous situation and watch your consultation and focus. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com. Complete weekly horoscope report defines you this coming week the whole analysis regarding Moon's transit effect. That will give you your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report will define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need to get out from the situation. What precautions you must implement to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your through spiritual activation, to achieve your supremacy, to accomplish your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Leo weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Leo. In this coming week, there will be lots of running around, hassles, fruitless expenditure, family challenges, family complication, and your mind can be restless, very much upset, sometimes annoyed, sometimes very much disappointed. You'll be going through lots of complex situations, scenarios. Your financial gain will be mediocre. Your expenditure can be sky high, more than your imagination. After 22nd of October, income resources will be there. A lot of your problem will be resolved there and done and dusted. And with the help of a foreign contract, you'll be able to accomplish quite a lot, something dignified, something unique. May I say, with the foreign contact, you'll come across lots of enhancement of success, enhancement of status, prestige, or rise in flow of income. That can happen.